welcome to week 1 of our home studio workouts. So for those of you who are my private students, I'll still be meeting with you on Zoom, but those who are taking classes with me or those who haven't met me yet, you're welcome to do these workouts with us. So our goal this week is to just keep your vocal technique rolling and doing some exercises so that way you're not getting a little bit lazy or a little bit sloppy in this time that we're not able to get together and actually really work in a group setting. So welcome to your first week of Vocal Tech Online. I'm Professor Voss. Join me in singing. Using your nice abdominal breath, you're going to inhale into the abdomen and exhale, abdomen will come in as we do. Low abdominal breath every time. Falsetto or whistle, we're going to pick up the tempo and go a little bit faster using momentum through the top of the range. We're going to add on to it. Remember, every exercise we do, we add a skill, we don't necessarily subtract one. So the next skill we're going to work on is adding resonance to that nice abdominal breath. Continuing to remember that as we inhale, our abdomen goes out. As we exhale for my beginners, the abdomen's going to come in. As we exhale, for those of you who are a little bit more advanced at this, you're going to support and engage so that the abdomen doesn't have quite as much movement on the exhale or the vocal line as you're singing. So the next exercise, adding some resonance to that and creating some sound, not just lip trilling. So we're going to do singing on the E vowel. Our tongue tip is going to touch the bottom of the front teeth. Sides are going to come up to touch the bottom of the top teeth. And you'll create a little cavern in there in your mouth. And you're going to inhale on E and feel the cold spot on the roof of your mouth. That's where you're aiming when you're singing this exercise. Now I'm going to have singers that sing musical theater, that sing classical music, that sing pop music. So what I'm going to say is do the resonance space that's applicable to your style. If you're a classical singer, make sure you're singing rounded and full with vibrato in every pitch. If you're singing more musical theater style or contemporary music styles, you're going to probably vary your use of vibrato and space. So if I'm singing classical style, if I'm singing CCM or contemporary commercial music, and for the purposes of this particular exercise for this audience, I'll probably do a hybrid of both. Is designed to stretch the larynx and release the larynx down, opening up into that chest resonance space. We're going to sing O. Now, if it's more comfortable for you to sing E than O or that's completely fine. You can use an alternating vowel if you want, if it feels better for you. But we're starting with O, and our goal is going to be to stretch below that vocal fry. So we don't want to get to the point where we go, but instead, is what we're going for. So we start with threading the needle. So we're going to take it nice and closed vowel through the middle voice, open up when we get to the top, and really just let it loose. So we're starting with an E vowel position. Tongue tip touches the bottom of the front teeth. Sides of the tongue come up to touch the bottom of the top teeth. Eventually, we'll move into the ah vowel when we get up above the staff. So we're starting with might find those exercises to be relatively easy, in which case I would say do them a couple times a day. If you're a beginner, you might find the range a little bit challenging. So I would say take it at your own pace. If you need to stop while the exercise keeps going because the range is pretty wide, that's fine. And eventually, if you keep doing these exercises, you'll be able to accomplish more and more. Next time we come back, I'll do more differentiating with genre, and I'll have more videos and more exercises that are going to be more specific to, say, for example, the musical theater style versus the classical style versus the jazz style. So, but for now, that's a good start, a good basic workout. And we always want to finish with something that's going to say hello to every part of your voice. So today we're going to do a siren. We just go bottom, middle, top. Oh. Hopefully you had fun singing today, and I'll bring you some more content later on next week.